Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. And now I am need download driver Lexmark. This here for serial. You type here, you type it, and please why I'm search the official website for you. I am like download for the official website. The official website not a virus and easy to download for the official website. This here for official website. You click here, website loading. You scroll down, looking for the title, driver and support. Click here for the title. This here for the title driver and download. Click here for the title driver and download and please wait. This here the model the print and you scroll down this here for the type automatic your operating system and my operating system for Windows 10. This here for website driver recommended for me support your Windows 10. If you need change your operating system, you click here. This is your for operating system Linux, Windows, and Mac. I'm sure for the Mac, and this here for Mac version. You click here. This here for Mac 11, Mac 11, Mac 13 support, and this here for Mac 10. This here for all your Mac driver. If you need change the operating system, and this here for operating system for Linux. This here for the version. This is for the update for Fedora version, and this here for Fedora 13.6, 13.7, and this here for 2025, 24, 25 euro for the Fedora. This is for OpenSSL and the Ubuntu. And this video I'm download driver for Windows and camera operating system for Windows. And this here for Windows version, you click here. And this here for the Windows 11 driver, Windows 7 driver, Windows 8 driver, Windows 8.1 driver, and this here for Windows 11 driver, and this here for Windows 10, and this here for Windows for Spot. And this video I'm going to download driver Windows 11. Like here for driver Windows 11, looking the release in this here for the new release for the Windows 11, and this is for the Windows Spot. And it's here for a driver, and I am recommendation for you. You can look for the driver package, and this here for universal. This here for this one. Now the universal. Okay, two. And this here for universal print driver installation package. And this is for the universal and recommendation for you. You download here. You click here, and you click here for the start download, and this is for your driver download. What? Sorry. This is for Windows driver Windows 11 driver download. If you need install driver for the your printer, you turn on the power printer, you put cable USB printer to laptop or PC. Laptop or PC detect USB cable printer and please go finish driver download. If you finish driver download, you double click here or you click here, you click open, you double click file, you click next and you click finish. This new for the type automatic USB cable printer. Okay, if you need question, comment below. If you need link below description of the video. Thank you for watching, like and subscribe my channel. See you bye next time.